Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making pumpkin mac and cheese. What you will need: garlic powder, butter, milk, cheese, cream, pumpkin puree, flour, black pepper, and of course your macaroni. Let's get started. So first I boiled water and I'm pouring it in a pot so I can boil my noodles. And I'm adding salt to the pot. And then on another pot we're gonna add our butter, garlic powder, pepper, and we're just gonna let it cook for a little bit. Stir it around. Now I'm adding my flour. This is what we call a roux, and it helps keep the cheese from separating from the liquid. Now the water's boiled and I'm gonna add my macaroni pasta to it. Give that a little stir. Now the roux is about ready. To that I'm gonna add my milk. And then I'm gonna whisk it around a little bit, just to keep it from clumping together. Here I'm adding the cream. Mix that around. Ooh, the noodles are boiled now. And then to the pot I'm gonna add the pumpkin puree. This is to my sauce mixture. Getting thick. Looks good, eh? Once the noodles are boiled, you're gonna want to drain the pasta, but don't cool it. If you need to, you could add a little bit of oil, but you should be able to pour your cheese sauce right after. Now we're gonna add the cheese to the pot. Just give that a mix. A lot of mixing. And once your cheese sauce is done, you can go ahead and pour that in on top of your macaroni. Then you're just gonna want to mix it around to make sure everything is well incorporated. After that, I'm going to pour some extra cheese that I had sitting over. This is so that we can caramelize the top with cheese. Then I'm going to put it in the oven for about 20 minutes. Look, now it's done and you have a beautiful macaroni pie. Looks so good. Do you hear that sizzle? And then on top of that, this is an extra fun bit, we added bacon. There you have it, pumpkin mac and cheese.